Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop email notification on Facebook using your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com. After that, you have to give your login details and log into your Facebook. Once you do that, on the top right corner, tap on your profile and tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you have to select settings. It's gonna take you to the settings page. Now you have to look for notification option by scrolling down on the left. Now tap on notification option and you can see there's click on email to expand the options. You will see different categories of email notifications such as comments, tags, friend requests, birthdays, groups, etc. For each category, you can toggle off the notification by selecting only about your account or important notification about you or activity you've missed, or by unchecking the types of notification you don't want to receive. And guys, that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.